took the cheapest ball machine to the courts to see if it's actually usable. Oh. Okay, so at first glance that looks very disappointing. But a ball machine is for practice, right? Not to look cool. So let's test what we can actually do with this. Right, baseline. Let's try it out. I'm of course trying it out with Padel here, but this goes for tennis as well. The bounce is incredibly soft, so it doesn't give you the feel of hitting back from an opponent's hit, right? So let's see if it can do something else better. Let's try some volleys. Okay, so again a bit disappointing here. You can't really set it up behind the net as it just but clears it. So then let's set it up a little closer behind the net. Alright, so it is doable for volleys to a certain extent. You can hit the ball back and it does help me get more of a feel for volleys. But again, it's so soft that an opponent would have to hit the ball in such a weird way, just letting it bounce off his or her racket for this to be an actual return in a match. I also tried to set it up for some specific back wall exercises because I really want to practice the side to back glass or even just the side glass. But it's just not strong enough to have it bounce off the wall, let alone the side and back wall. In fact, I think I look pretty dumb trying to have it do that. Sure, it's under $100 and you can technically practice with it, perhaps for extreme beginners trying to get the right ball feel for a hit. And even though I'm a beginner myself, I didn't feel this was really going to help me. Children might enjoy it though, and it seems at a very kid-safe speed. Just don't let them play with it alone, because you wouldn't want them to put their hands into that ball shooter while it's on. Now a plus is you can put it in your tennis bag as well as a medium-sized backpack. It weighs almost nothing, so even a kid could carry it. But for me, this definitely goes into the definitely not pile. If you like this sort of video, let me know in the comments so I know I should make more of these. Perhaps you even have a suggestion of stupid Padel equipment I should try, so you don't have to.